Now we're going to take a look at finding surface areas of pyramids. So if you remember finding the surface area of prisms, it's very, very similar. We just need to find our net and then find the area of each of the faces of our figure and add those together. So you'll notice when we find the net of a pyramid, right, we've got a rectangular pyramid in this case. So we'll see that base is our rectangle. And then we will have, if it's a rectangle, we'll have 4 identical triangles making up the other sides. Okay, if this were a triangular pyramid, we would have 3 triangles making up the other sides with a triangular base. So let's look at this net and see if we can find our surface area. So remember, our surface area will be the area of each of these 4 sides plus that bottom in red. So we can see that the bottom is a square that's 7 meters by 7 meters. So the area of the bottom here is going to be 7 times 7, which is 49 square meters. And then each of our sides is a triangle. We can see it has a base of 7 and a height of 10. Remember that our area for a triangle is 1/2 of the base times the height. So 7 times 10 is 70, and 1/2 of 70 is 35. So each side would have an area of 35 square meters, and we have 4 total sides. So we could either take 35 and multiply by 4, and then add 49, or we could just add each of our 4 sides. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply, since I know there are 4 identical sides that each have an area of 35. So I have 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So the 4 sides combined are 140 square meters. And to that, we can add the bottom, which is 49. And we get 189 square meters. And that's the surface area of this pyramid. Let's now look at a triangular pyramid. So again, you'll notice this time a triangular pyramid has a triangular base and then 3 identical triangles that are making up the 3 sides here. So let's remember that our surface area will be equal to the area of all of our faces. So that'll be the area of side 1 plus the area of side 2 plus the area of side 3 plus the area of our base. So if we find those 4 areas, we can find our surface area. So let's start with our base. We can see that it has a base of 6 feet and a height of 5.2 feet. And our base is a triangle, so we're going to be finding 1/2 of the base times the height. Now we know that the base is 6. And the height is 5.2. So we can multiply here. 6 times 5.2 we get 31.2, and 1/2 times 31.2, which is the same thing as 31.2 divided by 2. We get 15.6. So the area of our triangular base is 15.6 square feet. So we can replace that here in our surface area formula. Okay, and then each of our sides has a base of 6 feet and a height of 8 feet. So 1/2, 6 times 8. 6 times 8 is 48, so 1/2 of 48 would be 24. So we can now substitute for each of our sides here the area of 24. So our surface area will be 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 15.6. to get a total surface area of 87.6 square feet.